Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with another tip and trick, but today will be more of showcasing our process of a new kind of service that we have adopted. It's called scan-to-BIM. So scan-to-BIM is a process we have adopted using a new equipment that we've acquired. In this process we'll be using a matterport camera. This is a camera that captures accurate building conditions, and you scan. In our scan to BIM process, we use Matterport, like I said, Pro 2 camera to capture 3D scan of the real world conditions on a project. The scan data is then imported into a 3D modeling environment to create accurate as-built models as to inform the design of the real-world condition. So what you do is we scan the building here that we're working on, and then we're going to import the point cloud into our native 3D software, which in this case is Graphisoft's Archicad. So as defined by other BIM industry experts, the process of 3D scanning a viscous space into an accurate digital representation of it. So that's what we'll be using, and this camera helps us to capture this realism for us to create accurate models successfully. Having precise measurements to work with is key. So with Matterport Point Cloud, we're going to accurately trace it over and have accurate measurements, and then 3D model content to extract our BIM project. And then let me take you through it. After the whole process of scanning is complete, we've got accurate point clouds. Now we can import into our Archicad file. So what you do is you open a template. Let's say we are using our MS BIM template, which is currently running. I'll leave the link on the description for you guys to have a look at it. And when you go to file and then interoperability, you import the point cloud here, and then as you import it, you place it on where the presets are, and then reach OK, and then place it. There it is, and then have a look at it, and that's it. That's a matter of placing a point cloud is easy. It's just an OBJ file or XYZ file. And that's it. It's an accurate measurement, accurate condition. Like this is a point cloud, guys, and that was captured using a Matterport camera. So 3 important steps of the scanning process are, collecting data with the scanner, which in this case we used a Matterport scanner, not a laser scanner, and then bringing this data back to the design office, right? Like here, for instance, we already imported the point cloud now into the Archicad, and then using it in the BIM process. Now, what's the BIM process? What here I'm talking about? As we always emphasize on our channel, BIM is all about information. So what you do is, with this point cloud, you're going to extract as-built information from this cloud, from the scanning. We're going to draw it up, model, create existing drawings, as-built drawings, and then we can even go further and extract data sheets of the rooms, and you can use this for your renovation processes, or either for your maintenance, for your facility management and operations. Use this model as an asset-built model. That's what we call it. Scan to BIM. We scanned, so we could take this model process to an as-built model, and then this as-built model could be used as an asset model now. So what you do is you use our templates, our resources here, using a visual library, which is this walls and elements that you're going to use to extract this building is tied with information accurate information of the real environment. So we already tagged in information of this, say, materials and so on. So we are digitizing the design process. We are digitizing the AEC with this scanning and then taking it to the BIM, which is what we use. Yes, like I said, we tie this Archicad elements with information, and then this information can be later extracted as reports, schedules, quantity takeoffs, depending on what the information you want. So in this case, our client wanted as-built models and data room elements, room schedules, so that he could decide to check on his maintenance workflows and stuff like that. So it's a service that we provide, which BIM consultants out there, I think, are tapping into it, and they already have. And yeah, what we do is we have already managed to. This is just a quick workflow, guys. We traced this point cloud so we could have an accurate, since we had the point cloud, so we managed to remove a large degree of human errors from traditional as-built documentation process. The data is collected over a considerable shortened period of time. Information can be shared. We share this information with the client as soon as possible. And yeah, that's basically it. This is what we have. This is what we managed to extract from the point cloud. So that's what we basically did. We digitized the existing conditions. We translated the existing built environment information using the matterport and then to the scanner, to the BIM workflow, to our BIM workflow. And then the data that we have included here could include details about the components manufacture, when it was installed, the necessary maintenance that is required, and when, how to operate it at its optimum level to enhance performance and conserve energy, and so on. So this is an asset information model. Now it's no longer as an as-built. Yes, we could extract your elevations, your sections, your plans, but then we go further because our template allows us to do that. And it's an holy grail in terms of our workflow, linking data to the building elements, and we tie this data like performance regimes, maintenance regimes, cost, anticipated lifespans, and and so on. So the main emphasis, this is the scanner reality capture service. I'd say the digitizing of the built environment. You could get 2, 3, 4 outcomes of it: the as-built documentation, the asset and facility management, and then the BIM. And then after this, you could publish this to hypermodel, which you could use into your BIMx. For now, your operations, now having the model in real time in BIMx. So just that we're creating real quick sections and elevations and so on. This is just the workflow. Scan-to-BIM workflow, guys. I'm not really teaching or giving you tips and tricks of anything here today, but rather the capabilities of the scan-to-BIM services. You go scan your building and then import a point cloud, and then you can extract any drawing of the elements. It's faster as compared to the traditional methods, right? Faster, I guess. And for large properties, this would be handy. This would really be handy because a lot of buildings don't have accurate, or maybe they don't have as-built even facility management, right? So it's true, we could now use Archicad for digitalization of asset management. and using Archicad for auditing projects and managing the information exchange with external consultants, So this is holy grail, guys, and like systematically coding and putting information in our models. That's 6D BIM. Putting on information, linking of attribute data to support facilities management and belt asset operations. This is really holy grail. And the scanner thing, I guess, is modern day technology, which it's all about speed and accuracy and improving productivity and enhancing our workflows. So I think, and over the years, the AEC industry is really tapping into modern day technology, I guess. And then this is really important. Scan-to-BIM, it's really important. Imagine now having a lot of buildings having as-built drawings. Now fully having the digital twin of your as-built through having to scan it. You can integrate this model, like I said, this intelligent model. Now since it has information, it's an intelligent model because information is tied to every element. You can extract reports, you could use classification property manager and extract reports of any kind. You can schedule, you can extract any kind of information you want regarding the building. So your maintenances, your operations, you integrated facility management to it, and that's the whole process of scan-to-BIM. I think this is now what you call digital facility information, and you could now eliminate the need to maintain redundant site access, going from site to site. Imagine you facilitate a building that is maybe 100 kilometers or 200 kilometers away from your office. So what you need to do is to have this digital facility information, and then that is why BIM is set to conquer facility management and operational energies and so on. So this technology is really handy and we need to tap into it. And so in this case, now that I showed you the capabilities of scan-to-BIM, we can now take it to operations by using BIMx for your operations, for your day-to-day facility management. You viewing your asset belt model, you could use BIMx. Imagine having to draw as-built drawings. It'll take you years or months, man. But the point clouds are handy, and which is why I'm rooting for it. And the as-built drawings are just automated. You just extract your operation manual. You could use BIMx, like you see, rather than this traditional use of thousands of pages, disorganized informations, low resolutions, no correlation with as-built drawings. But now everything is tied from the model. You just need to extract. You could just see lists of everything, finishes, schedules, your lightings. You could just, by click of a button, if you want to see your lights, you go to your lights. If you want to see your room data sheets, you extract that. With modern day technologies, Androids, and so on. So that's just basically it about today's video. Reality capture into BIM, matterport 3D data into BIM, point cloud scanner, and so on. So that was just we're just showcasing how to convert point clouds data into data-rich models and accurately capturing and interpreting 3D scanner, enhancing facility management capabilities. And our 3D scanner services offers rich visual information to initiate CAD and BIM process for existing building projects, like how you just saw that in this video. We have managed to extract quite a lot, and yeah, that's basically it for today, guys. And before I wrap up here, there's a template running, an Archicad template running. It's called MS BIM template. I'll leave the link on the description if you want to model and improve your modeling and drawing. And then we have a template for you guys. And if you want to tie your drawings to specifications and quantities extractions, there's that one as well. There's a template on the link on the description. Have fun with this tools, guys, and the capabilities are endless. You'll get the value of the template, and there are more videos to look at. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video, guys. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. It keeps us motivated to continue keeping up and producing these videos, guys. Yeah, stay blessed, stay creative. See you in the next video.